Hey guys, now we just received in the mail a package from Ringke, and it's all about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today I'm going to share with you what's in this reviewer's kit that was sent by Ringke. Let's see what kind of products are inside, and maybe there's something that you're going to be interested in, especially if you ordered a Samsung Galaxy S25 all the way up to S25 Ultra. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, trust me, I haven't taken a peek yet, and you're going to see that when we open this up. The tape right here, or the sticker, is coming off a little bit, but you can see that this is from Ringke, a special gift from us to you. And then, hey, you know what? Love the affirmation. You're amazing. So let's go ahead and open this up. See what's inside. And you'll notice right here it says Ringke. Live a better day. And this is a reviewer's kit. We have our S25 Ultra on the way. And there is quite a bit of goodies in here. And here we can see our first case, and this is the Fusion, right? And what I love about this is that these are magnetic cases. And that's going to be important because all of our accessories that we have in our home are MagSafe accessories. So having something like that is super important. I don't have a knife. And that guy is like cemented. Oh my God. Check this out. There you go. All right, so let's take a look at this first case. All right. Here's our first case. And this is a nice case. Clear case. This is going to be great to show off the colors of the Samsung S25. Has little protective film on it, and you can see polycarbonate back. Again, the magnetic support, all the appropriate cutouts. It also has like a TPU type material on the sides that makes it nice and thin, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, which is going to keep, again, your phone super slim and super light. I like how lightweight this is. I think that for me, this is either going to end up on my phone or it's going to end up on Nilda's phone. Let's look at the next one that we have here. So over here we have another one. This seems to be this is an onyx, and this is another magnetic one, and this one's in black. Oh boy. So I'm kind of like, I don't really do a lot of colors. Nilda is the person that does all the colors. I'll probably do a red or I do a blue, but I'll tell you, these, to take them apart, they're killer. Yeah, look at that. That glue there is on. So I'll show you, that glue is serious. All right, so here's another one. This is a nice one too, right? It is TPU type back, but it's harder than that. So it has kind of some polycarbonate stuff going in there as well. So it's going to give you some good protection, right? Matte finish, which I like. And again, it has all the appropriate cutouts. This is also really thin profile. So far, this is also a keeper. This is something that, one of us is going to like on our phone. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay. Now, what is this one? This is the Fusion. So this is Fusion Galaxy S25 Ultra Clear, right? And again, this packaging kills me. It's just no joke. It's like literally no joke adhesive. Open that up. All right, we got that there. Okay. Same. It seems like this is similar to the black, but clear. And this is going to show off, again, 100% of your color of your phone. The only thing I don't like about this one is it doesn't have MagSafe. So if you don't have a MagSafe ecosystem at home, then this would work for you. If you have MagSafe stuff, then it's not, because unfortunately the phone doesn't have MagSafe built in. So we're going to go ahead, put this on over to the side. Keep on working through things. Ooh, screen protector. That's good. All right, there's a lot of cases in here. That box was deceivingly small. All right, let's see what else we have in here. And we have more cases coming. We have a lot more cases coming. So there's a lot of stuff on the way. I have all these UPS and DHL notifications of things that are coming our way that are going to be for the Samsung S25 family. And let's see what this one looks like. Wow, no joke. That's no joke stuff. So again, this one right here, and this is a MagSafe one. So this is rugged gear, and this has, again, the MagSafe on there. And this one is a little bit more robust than the other one. I kind of like these more than anything. Slim, I like, but I really like this one. So this one you can see, again, same type of material in the back, but this is magnetic, has the bumper guards on the side. It looks like it has more firmer lips going all the way around it. Again, to hug that phone really nicely well. You can see the protection that it has there and the cutouts. This is going to be a nice one. And this may make it on my phone, especially because I like the super protection, or maybe I think this may make it on Nelda's phone. She drops her phones a lot. All right, next one. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video. That is not going to happen. She'll be yelling at me later. All right, so what's this one? So this one is the Fusion X, and this is no magnetic. And look at this, guys. That's what I'm talking about. It's like super sticky. And then this one, yeah, we've seen these before. This kind of has like that camel finish to it, and has protective stuff inside, polycarbonate. This is a durable case. You can see how it lifts here on the sides too. It has good camera protection. All of them have a great lip around the camera because the camera does come out. And again, this is going to be good for your phone. So this is going to be a nice one for those of you who like camel type style. Push this over to the side. One more case. They fit a lot in this little guy. And this is, okay, so this is Galaxy Black. And this one does not have MagSafe, but it has a mag clip. It doesn't say it. I want to say this is probably a MagSafe too, even though it doesn't say it on there. And then this is the Allies. All right, let's see what this one is. It's like the glue on this thing is no joke. No joke, guys. There it goes. All right, this is nice. This has a ring on it. So this, check that out. So this is going to be great for those of you who want something that will stand up on either side. Let me see. Do I have a MagSafe battery here? Because I want to say this is MagSafe. Let's see. Yes, it is. Okay. Now the question is going to be, is with this little ring here, will charging make it through to the phone? That's going to be the thing to see. We won't know that until later. But I like this one. So again, this is a more durable case. I think this is mine. And it has, again, you can see polycarbonate back, has a combination of material on the sides, and look at this. See, exactly what I expected. So you can see the type that the frame is on the back is really more durable. And then what you have kind of is like a TPU combo solution going on the inside, but the sides are more rigid. See, look at how rigid those sides are. This is going to give you really nice protection. I really like this. All the cutouts are really nice. Your S Pen is there. This is nice. All right. Okay, what we're going to do with this one is we're going to put it back in the bag. All right. But this one is not going that way. This one's going that way. This one I'm going to be putting on my phone. All right, what else do we have here? Last thing we have here is a tempered glass screen protector. Important. And the cool thing about this is that this has a frame. So this has a frame that goes on top of the phone. There's no moving around. This is like a little jig. And then these make it super easy to install on your phone and get them bubble free and get them aligned. And obviously this is going to work with all their phones. And what I love about this is that if you notice right here, this is a 2-pack. Two. So that means that if you have 2 phones, you can have them covered. So this is going to cover both Nilda and my phone as soon as they come in. So guys, that's everything that came in the reviewer pack from Ringke. Thanks for sending it our way. All the products look great. And this gives you an idea of what you can order right now. All these products are available now. So make sure you order your case. Make sure you order your screen protector. So when your phone comes in, you got everything protected. See you in the next video.